As the wave of healing looms, I lay down my sword in you, yours. Zephyr carries our pain as a bairn, vacating our deep blue wounds. Tides, they do turn. Prunella Vulgaris, heal all, self-heal, wild and free. As the name implies, what can't this herb do? I'm not sure because it literally does so much. It's wild at heart, but this beautiful soul is quite the helper. That in particular has an affinity for the lymphatic system, helping with stagnation issues such as bloating. Another use for self-heal is for wound healing. And when it is applied to wounds, self-heal has the ability to not only heal the wound, but to stop any bleeding. Prunella vulgaris also helps with viral infections. It clears the liver. It helps allergies, tumors, inflammation, amnesia, and really the list goes on and on. There's actually some good research on prunella and how it stops viruses from replicating. So I personally think Prunella vulgaris is a great herb to just have on hand. And if you've ever come home from a long day and you get that faint feeling of impending sickness, or if you've been out in the heat or just around a lot of people or something, you know that little feeling you get where you kind of feel like a sickness is coming on? Well, Prunella vulgaris helps with that. I use it when I feel that way, and then I feel much better in no time. So I actually take it as a tincture, just because I like tinctures, but it works really well as a tea as well. Self-heal has properties that help alleviate allergies during that season. And so if you drink it as a tea, you'd help your kidneys help you get through those allergies. Honestly, how could you not want an herb like this around for your healing journey?